Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Acer One 110 ICT two-in-one tablet or laptop, whatever you want it to say. I got it for around 12,000 rupees from Flipkart, but in the box is mentioned as 21,500. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10. And these are the specifications. It comes with the Intel Atom processor, 2M with 1.4 GHz speed, 2 MB L2 cache, 2 GB DDR3 RAM, 32 GB of inbuilt storage, and you can expand it via using a external hard disk. And it also comes with a battery of 6000 mAh and a front and rear camera. So this is pretty much it, and so let's unbox it. So let me show you the box contents. Okay. This one is a tablet. Let's keep it aside. We also get a user manual, pretty big one. You can read it if you want it. Then we get the keyboard, which is detachable. That's the great thing. This is the only reason that I have bought it, and it's pretty heavy also. Let me keep it aside. And I think here it will be the chargers. Yeah, it's a charger. No, I think we have more. Okay, so we have got an OTG cable. That's nice. One USB to micro USB cable and the charger. So let me keep these things aside. Okay guys, so this is how it is look. It's lightweight but also not so heavy also. So here are the ports. We get a microphone port. This is a microphone, not port, sorry. A USB port, a micro USB port, a HDMI port, a full USB port, a micro SD card slot. Yeah, and on this side we have the power and the volume rockers, one speaker, the position to attach the keyboard, and another speaker here. So let me power up the device, see it have any juice or not. Okay, so it boot up instantly. That's great.